Berta J, and you are back in my kitchen with me today to make a cheese sauce that I use so much I can't even tell you. I just finished up a jar and I'm making another one. This recipe has been inspired by Britt Giroudi from the Giroudi family here on YouTube. This is how you make it. So very simple. 1 cup of plant milk. I put it in first because with the Vitamix, it's best to put the liquid at the bottom, okay? Pour it in. And right off the bat, you know what I'm gonna say, don't y'all? Get all that milk that's stuck to that. See how much is coming out? The next thing you put in is a whole can of white beans. Now, these white beans could be any kind of a white bean. Great Northern, cannellini, or navy beans. I'm using a can of Great Northern. You drain and rinse the beans and then put those in. All of them. 1/2 cup of cashews. They go in. A tablespoon of lemon juice, pure lemon juice. 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. 1 full teaspoon of onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I put 2 things in here because it's such a small amount. You're going to use 2 smidgens, which is about 1/8 teaspoon, but not quite. But 2 smidgens of salt and 8 turns of black pepper. Okay, throw that in. Then you're going to put in a tablespoon of miso. I use light miso. The last ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of parsley flakes, dried. If you want to use fresh, I would say go with a tablespoon of fresh if you want to. And now we can blend until it gets smooth. Now, if you want to use it the same day, you also have one more step. What you want to do is take it to your stove and warm it up, because we're going to be putting it on some potatoes, but this is cold, okay? So I'm just going to go over here and warm it up. And you turn it over at like a medium-high heat so you can get it, so it'll get hot pretty quickly. So when it starts to bubble, you're done. And it will get a little bit thicker, but not much. So once you've warmed it, you can put it on anything you want to. I have used this on beans. I've used it on pasta, rice, and now I'm going to put it on some potatoes. Mash it just a little, like that. Put a nice glob on your potatoes. And then on top, like to shake a little bit more parsley flakes, put on a turn or 2 of pepper. And that's it. So I'm going to taste both because I know they're good and I'm hungry. So here we go. I'll just take a little bit. This never lets me down. It's like once you start making this, you know what it's going to taste like, and it's going to taste good. I will take a little bit with this potato. It's really like up there. I have a couple that I like, but this one is amazing. And then when I think of what's in it, like we get beans, which is protein, and it just is really good. And then you get your nuts too. And so ends this video with the cheese sauce made from beans with a few nuts in it. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And don't forget to leave me some comments below, okay? Let me hear from you. Let me know. Even if it's not about this, it's about something else, it's okay. So glad that I was with you today and you were brought into my kitchen. I always love talking to you guys. It's always a pleasure for me bringing you something from my kitchen or from my house or my life. So until next time, bye for now.